Guys, before I start this, I would like to make an announcement. Trading is risky. Do not copy me, this is not a signal service, I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you. Please read this disclaimer as well. Trade at your own risk. Okay, so first thing in the day, I'm going to remove all this. Let me look at the 15 minutes. I'm just reviewing some setups. That's what all of this is. Yeah. I would like to say we're bullish. If we tap into this gap, I think a buy could work. No viewers? No one yet. I doubt we'll get an entry. Oof, if we leave this 5-minute gap, sure. If we leave this gap, we can catch something till here. Is there a 30-second BPR? Oof, this could be a BPR. No, I don't like it. This could be a long entry potentially. I think this order block should get tapped though. I mean, off the order block is a possible long. Although we're too early. I think I've come in too early. It's not even 9. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little longer because it's not even 9 yet. Like, let all of this chop finish, especially 8:50 to 10:10. Then macro is usually chop. Let me set up potential. Oh, look at this beautiful equal lows. Oh my god. Yeah, that should get hit. I would want this current 6 seconds to close below this, so we form a 3-minute order block and we inverse with momentum. Doesn't seem like it. Maybe we come back, tap into this order block and then go lower. I like this as a draw, this 940 level, but it is possible to come and sweep this high one more time. Oh my god, do we have SMT up there? Yeah, we do. This is taken, so I'll be more comfortable once this 3-minute closes, to be honest. I mean, protected stop is up there, but I don't like it. This could play out as low resistance, so you go break even once it hits this or this potentially, but this you can get it break even more compared to this. um I did tap into it now. Is that equal highs we have here? Yeah, we do. Yeah, don't take anything until we see those. So we have equal lows and equal highs both. So we will get a trade today within like the first hour, most likely. So now we're only looking for shorts to this, because this equal high should get hit maybe with SMT up here. Do I think that's going to be a SMT? Can we try soup it? Let me see. Could play out, honestly. What is dollar doing? I need to change this as well. Not this one, but this one. It's 90% sale right now. Yeah, so guys, Apex Prop Firm has a sale for 2 days, 90% off, $125 activation fee on all account sizes. I mean, it's a really good deal. They have the 90% sale once or twice in the whole year, and this is the second time they've had it this year, so it is a good deal. Just because I'm going to travel soon, I'm not going to buy any accounts, but if you wanted to buy accounts, a 90% sale just means accounts are basically super cheap. So yeah. So we do have a small SMT here. This could get respected and go down. Let's see a potential setup. So no, we won't get it on the 3 minute for sure. Maybe this 2 minute inversion. And then we can take it down all the way. 901, 1 hour candle. Yeah, this could play out. Guys, you remember there was a meme coin I was talking about a few days ago? That shit has started flying today. I was looking at it a while ago. Let me try show it to you guys. Here it is, number 7. Where's the market cap? Okay, there's no return market cap here. I mean, okay, that's on the 5 minute, but like on the hourly or on the 15, you can see it's just been going up a lot. I mean, if I was to assume, should hit all-time high again, or at least especially when it gets listed. I'm not like openly talking about this too much. I mean, yeah, you can say I'm openly talking about it. This is risky as hell. But like if you look at the 4 hour, it looks super strong. Like, yeah, maybe it needs a wick down and then it continues flying, but these are meme coins, so of course they can do anything. But like on the daily, it looks super strong, like especially if it closes like this. Holy shit, like I'm seeing like the 0.1 on it, something like that. So yeah, that's another thing for you guys to just watch. I mean, I had entered somewhere here, to be honest. There was a wick it had done, so I entered somewhere here in the past, in this wick somewhere here. And then yeah, you could have gotten a chance lower, and if you held through all of these 5 days, I mean, today you would be up something, unless you entered like a really heavy position somewhere up here and then you took a smaller position here, then your DCA would bring it somewhere where our price is. But it seems really good. I mean, 1 hour candle closed on it as well. Oof. Now this is what catches my eye straight up, like this 3 minutes. So you would need to at least wait 4 minutes to find out if we can short this. Minimum of 4 minutes. For the downside, we would look at this, this right here. It's a sweep. You don't want it to close like way above. If it closes like where it is, somewhere there, then yeah, could be straight. I feel like shorting. I mean, hell yes, this could really get respected. I mean, it's either this gets respected or this is like creating the top wick for this 3 minutes. And then we wick down, we fill this gap and go lower from there. Yeah, that's all I'm thinking as of now. If we don't inverse, then we go higher to at least 2081. So I'm a enter this earlier with, I'll put like a stop at like 60. I think we're going lower. And if we inverse this 3 minutes, I'll add more. So we have 1 minute. Let's see what this can do. Crossing down. $36, so 59, 80 ticks. I want a top of 86, 80 ticks. And when we hit this low, I'll break even this entry. There's this 1 minute fair value gap. I didn't see that earlier. I mean, this is not the best entry I've had. This is not the best setup. Because the 3 minute hasn't yet inverted, so we could just be bouncing off this 3 minute. Like we have 143. I mean, it's either in this or the next one. Max next 3 candles should inverse. If it doesn't, we're most likely wrong. And if it inverses, a moving stops to here, this high. Yeah, Dix is going up, these two are going down. Stocks are up. We need those to turn negative for us to go lower. $30 seconds. You think it's possible to inverse in 30 seconds? Knowing NQ in the past, definitely. See, the reason why I don't want to move my stock to this high still, because we can just bounce off, come sweep this one more time and then go lower. But if we inverse, then we shouldn't come back to this. Right now it is possible. That's more equal lows. Also this. Do we have any news today? If we have news, I'm most likely wrong. I've not seen that. Do we freaking have news today? We do have news at 9:45. Yeah, just because you have news, I'm going to bring this top lower. I mean, we are still respecting the 1 minute. We just closed on it, so if this candle closes bearish, I'm pretty much confident that we're going lower. And then the next thing we want to see is this 3 minute to get inversed. If we don't see the 3 minute get inversed, or either we're stalling for open, which most likely we are, or open just wants to dump. And the next thing that could be possible is we are stalling for news, so open won't do much, it will just go up and down, up and down, up and down. So the most ideal scenario in this is the 3 minute inverse is before the open and we go break even, and then let price do whatever it wants. So I mean, it closed bullish, but like it's still respecting the 1 minute. I mean, it's either this candle just rockets up and then stop loss, or this candle just goes to test it one more time or something, and then we come down. It depends on the close of like the next one or two candles, basically. Yeah, okay, I mean, this 3 minute shouldn't close bullish. If it closes bullish, then we're most likely in trouble. But we want it to close lower because, this 3 minute needs another wick up, so as much as it pushes, the better for us, so it doesn't wick up too much and doesn't wake us out, hopefully. Not the most favorable close. So it needs to wake up one more time, at least a little. So ideally, if you're waiting for an entry, what you could do is wait for either 1 minute bearish fair value gap to form somewhere around here for like a higher probability, or you wait for the inverse and then enter on the inverse. But I think I've nailed it. So a TP for this is going to be 39. Oh, almost 100 points. I'm just going to post a story. Just a second. Share. I can't post a story about this. Damn. Why would they disable that? Sounds stupid. I hope that doesn't get me copyright strike. It is just for a second. Okay, so again on reviewing it, if this closes below and we leave this 3 minute gap and we don't fill it, it is possible before we hit this low we'll retrace one more time. So that means we cannot move our stop to break even. And looking at the time, seems like that's possible. Also want to keep looking at this and see where it is constantly. Trending number 7. Just a second, I'll go back to that charts. Oof, the 3 minute didn't inverse. Not yet. I mean, you could possibly say it needs to close below this, because that's part of the fair value gap. So now basically if it leaves this 3 minute gap right now, we have a really good stop, because only if you're wrong then this stop should get hit. I mean, especially if we leave this fair value gap on 3 minutes, because this is a order block, fair value gap, and we have the SMT on the higher time frame. So those are 3 PD arrays, and ICT always says as long as you have a stop 3 PD arrays away, you should be safe most of the time, unless your direction is wrong. Oof. Are we gonna get wrecked here? Looking like we need one more seep, because we didn't leave that gap. So if this 2 minute inverses this, I just close manually. No, I'm gonna hold it. Like, I think we're still good. So I mean, we could just stall around here and one of these two goes to take it. Yeah, I think holding. I mean, our risk is still the same throughout. Holy. me just look at one thing. I did the same on this. Yeah, this one should inverse it, and then we go lower. And I'll add one more con. I mean, with this momentum, we should close, or like we'll close just on it or some shit like that, like one takeaway or something, and then we'll just bleed down. That's what I'm thinking. Now we'll close, like we have 30 seconds. We'll close below, and then 9:30 open. We'll just drive it down. Nine 30 did not. Okay, did we close below on the 2 minute? We did. On the 1 minute, we didn't. I mean, you could say we did, and then there's a breaker here with the fair value gap, order block, SMT. Our stop seems heavily protected, I'm not gonna lie. Only because our stop seems protected is the only reason I've added. Because what would generally happen in this, I mean, it is kind of a gamble now because it didn't close below, but what I expect it to do is 9:29 will close somewhere here, and when 9:29 closes somewhere here, after that will just dump down. Yeah, so now we have another SMT with YM. ES is about to take this high also, and we'll get another SMT. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, yeah, 3 minute in inverse, we're going higher. I mean, the SMT, the higher time frame SMT is still valid. I 100% think the bias is bearish. Yeah. It just needed a liquidity sweep. frick is happening? Oopsie doopsie, I am wrong. We're going to 81. This is abnormal. No SMT. Oof. We hit yesterday's high. No, this is the previous week. We need prices to start consolidating again. How much higher do you think we'll go? I don't think we're closing above this today. If we close above, then yeah, all-time highs coming. Possibly 21,500 after that, but I mean, like, look, on this 1 minute, I see this 81 level gonna get hit. Yeah, so now look, we have a smaller time frame SMT here. I feel like shorting this, but I'm still scared. I don't know why. We did not close below this still. This is the only clean one. 15 second. Is there anything on the 1 minute? No. 30 second? No. 2 minute? No. 3 minutes? No. We have a SMT. That's what allows me to take this gap. If we didn't have a SMT, I wouldn't be comfortable taking this. Oof, this is a really bad trade. And now we come and run, hit stop loss. This is really bad trade of mine. This is honestly disgusting. I literally feel like closing it when it comes back to avoid unnecessary loss. If it comes back. Let's see this 30-second gap. If it doesn't get respected, it did not. Damn. If this closes, oh my god, yeah, we got scooped. This was a setup where we warred the liquidity. We have news 9:45. We'll just wait for that. Couple of really bad trades from me today. All of these lows need to get hit. Yeah, we sweep this high. Yes, hasn't. Yes, hasn't. So this is the third time. What is YM doing, bro? YM's indicating it's displacing lower already. It doesn't seem like YM wants that low. Oof. This is the setup. This is high of day. Where is London, Asia? Lines off. I have 9:45 news. This could be a really bad trade or a really good one. I don't know why. I just from inside, just looking at like the 5 minutes time frame. To me, it feels like we can dump all of this with the help of news. So like we manipulated up. This is a manipulation up, and then news is the delivery down. I mean, the further we move away from our stop, the better it is before news. Like YM is delivering down. It just makes me want to hold this, like that will go lower. Don't tell me we still need more liquidity and we're going to get stopped out one more time. We have like a double SMT up there. think I've taken this trade too early. I think we should have waited for 15 minutes after news. Genuinely feel like it's going to hunt again. And then freaking 10 a.m. news will just deliver down. Yeah. Oh my god, our stop lines up with this gap. It's not a gap. Yeah, it's a stop out, like kind of pissed about it. Like, I don't understand, why is it stalling so much? Is it waiting for 10 a.m. news to deliver down, so it's just stalling? Because YM's going way lower, Dixie's going up. Like, look at how much up it has gone. This is an indication that it's going to go lower. NQ should go lower. Like, look, even these two are going down. These two have started dumping like a shitload. Oh, we got stopped out again. I really think there's going to be a huge sell-off today. We have a SMT yet again. Like, we've stacked like so many SMTs. Like, what the hell do you want to do? Again, another one. Like, from when? From around here. We've literally been making SMT. Like, how much more do you want to just keep making SMTs and not dump? Like, look, this looks clean to me. It pops out, Biden inverse. But now I'm not going to sit there. We're just going to sit on like the one. Yeah, this 1 minute looks good. Wait for this inverse. So we confirm we're going lower first. Like, YM clearly does not want previous week high, because that's previous week high and it rejected so much off of it, and it's like still drawing lower. So this is literally all manipulation. Like, this is all basically sell zones. Okay, we tapped into this order block. Do you want to dump from there, or do you want to go higher? Like, I refuse to believe the 4 hour will close like this. It needs some sort of retracement. It needs some sort of retracement. It cannot close like this. It cannot. No. Yeah, let's just sit and wait for the 1 minute. Like now we need to see heavy amounts of down close candles with displacement. Like this 10 a.m. news might just wake up a little. Hunt stops and then just continue lower. Because everything else is going lower. Only NQ is going higher. Come on, let's go hunt it one more time. Yeah, let's go hunt it one more time. Boom, you got hunted one more time. Oh my god, I didn't take that trade, bitch. I knew you were gonna do that. Leave this gap. Maybe this gap will be good if it stays where it is. Like, look at this. YM's going so much lower. Why the hell are you going up? So I'm just sitting on push to talk so I don't get tempted to press buttons. I still think the bias is bearish. I think we'll wait for 5 minutes for value gap to the downside. I mean, if you want to really risk it, you can take this, go break even at this 1 minute, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna wait. And we have 10 a.m. news, so be careful. I think I'll take this shorts down. You can enter off the retest. I don't think it's gonna retest. And I'm gonna go break even at that 1 minute fair value gap. Yeah, I'll just sit and push the talk until either it hits the break even or we get stopped out. I'm not placed it yet. I'm holding the break even. So once I see price hit like 23.5, then I'll go break even. Okay, so I like this 2 minute gap. Because there's nothing else blocking it. If you look at the 2 minute, there's nothing else blocking it from going down all the way till here. So if we close below this level here, this could be really good. Although I would like to see a sweep of the daily high before we go down. So yeah, that's one thing I'm looking at. So hopefully we sweep this and then come an inverse. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I mean, there's a 3 minute gap as well, but I like the 2 minute more than the one. Like the one has two gaps. So yeah. what the fuck is this? Honestly, what is this, bro? Just come take this high out. Like, I don't know, close somewhere here, then chop around a little, like one more candle, just chop and then go high up, sweep that, leave a fair value gap, come back down, inverse it, and we go down lower, like at least to this fucking 96 level. Like, yeah, I mean, it's good if it chops around, like chop, and then the next candle just forms a huge ass fair value gap up, then it's good. I mean, that's at least my outlook. If it inverses 2 minutes, you can take it. I'm just not comfortable. I mean, we do have a SMT, so with that you should be pretty much safe. But I can't be asked. I mean, it can play out. I'll just be more comfortable with it taking this. Like, if it doesn't take that out, I'm less comfortable with it. Seems like it's going to do exactly that. Although I'd be happy if it just sweeps this and pushes back higher, like a lot higher. I like this. Now just push up, sweep this, yeah. Let's go. Pump it up. Snoop Dogg. Snoop. I don't even know that song, bro. I can't even play it. Snoop. Pump it like it's hot. No, that's drop it like it's hot. That's Snoop Dogg. There's another song. It's called Pump It Up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. This could play out though. Yeah, just reject, bro. Don't inverse. Yes. Come up, bro. This kind of needs to just pump, like just fly. Come on, please. Push it up, pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. I like this. Fucking getting wet. All the way down to 940. 20,940. That's full TP. Wherever we enter the setup of. Literally this down here, 940. That's full TP, bro. Smack that TP, bro. Leave this gap. Please leave this gap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, fucking bitch. I mean, it can still go up. 2 minute, no gap. Okay, yeah, leave a gap on the 2 minute. No, it needs to be bigger. Oh, fucking dick. There's only gap on the 10 second. I don't know if I'm comfortable taking that though. I don't know how comfortable I am taking this. Boom, it took the daily high. Took this daily high. Is there any other high nearby? Nah, the next one's too far. Leave this 1 minute gap. Oh my god, I swear to god. Leave this gap. Okay, I leave the 2 minute. Yeah, go up, push up. This 2 minute looks better than the 1 minute. If it forms it. It needs to go a little higher still. Oh my god, higher. Even leave this one, to be honest. Leave both. Even 3 minute lines up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, if this inverses. god, what the hell? Okay, the 3 minutes still there. Okay, 3 minutes still there. 3 minutes still there. Oof, oof. We need to leave this 3 minute gap and then we're straight. We're straight. This 3 minute looks good. I like this 3 minute. Three minute looks good. I was waiting for the 3 minute all along, but it freaking filled it. Oh my god. I mean, this 1 minute could play out. I'm just not interested in it anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, this is the fifth candle. Could play out. I mean, this could low-key play out. If it inverses though. Did it inverse? It did. Is there 2 minute gap still here before? Yeah. Should close below this, to be honest. Is there anything on the 3? The 3 has a small gap. It's closing in 32 seconds. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, if it closes, could be an indication that we're going lower well in advance. I doubt it's going to do that though. This is so lame. Oh my god. Yeah, I can't be asked. I mean, how many times we've already hit stop loss? You don't want to hit again, so I went break even. I mean, yeah, you could debate. Yeah, maybe it comes back up. My thinking is this next candle should close below. Bro, this looks good. Should inverse. Shouldn't kick us out. If it inverses before. If it kicks us out and then inverses. Oh my god. I mean, it still has a whole minute, so it could still wake us out before going lower. The higher it goes, the more likely it seems like a possibility. Honestly, don't know what it's doing. We'll close above and then it'll dump. Oh, I didn't close above. I can't be asked. Okay, if yes hits this, if this alert goes off on yes, I'm just hopping off. I'm done. With this momentum, we should hold this. Honestly, if we don't, then this is the last trade of today. I'm done. I'm hoping yes holds this SMT. I really want price to distribute lower now. Like it really needs to, like possibly in the next two candles it forms. So not this one, but in the next two it forms. I want to see a 5 minute fair value gap down, potentially flipping this current 4 hour, and then going lower after that. Honestly, the hell's happening? This is just a 1 minute fair value gap. This is just this one. So is this a new 5 minute gap? Oh, not a gap, but like, yeah, this candle needs to just displace. Even the next one needs to displace. We're in the macro, so we can easily do this. I'll put an alert for here, and once we hit this, I'll go break even on this entry. And I'm planning to go get a coffee or something. So I guess that's where we may end the stream. I might leave the stream account with this full TP stop loss. So this is where we are right now. I'm gonna let it run. Yeah. So if I'm back, if I see this get hit, then yeah, I'll go break even on this entry. But if I don't, then yeah, I'll just let it run. I will set up a bunch of alerts for myself, so I just know when TPs are hit. But yeah, now it's looking good. So what would make this higher confirmation is what would make higher confirmation is if we form a 15-minute fair value gap. So this one or another one, but I mean there is a small possibility we don't, or we just run through this and then we close somewhere here in this area, and then we can potentially come back to the fair value gap and then go lower. That's why this is the break-even point. So yeah, I mean, other than that, I don't really have anything to say. I mean, if it doesn't leave a gap in the next like 4 candles, then I'm wrong. Then this stop loss should get hit again.